People, life could be a dream.
Yeah, we have to get those.
What does the coin
boxes.
do?
We have to get those boxes.
Why would you put that there?
I wanted the coin.
You guys have to die. You're not gonna.
Nah, I'm gonna do my own thing. I'm building up momentum. I'm building up momentum.
Ah, oh. Minecraft. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Ah! How do I? Who?
You die. You die.
Ah.
Fuck, you're a bum, genuinely.
Oh, not again! Oh, I did it.
Gideon's gonna jump on the bottom of it and kill you. Or you're
Ah,
gonna kill yourself.
dude!
How are you not dead?
How the did he not?
You
die?
got that? Bust it down, freaky style! Ooh, ooh,
Chat, come on, please.
You can do it.
You can do this. You can do this, little lamb.
You just gotta jump. Got it. No worries. I'll be here. Take your time.
Dang. Holy crap.
Yeah, no worries. Hey! Alright, now you just gotta...
Oh my god!
Why'd I die? How'd I die?
How'd you die?
What?
Oh
I got
my god.
the kill.
What just happened? And why?
You are.
Gideon, don't fall down there again. Get in! Oh. Come on, dude. Dude. Dude.
Just joking around. I can make it whenever I want to.
You got it.
Why is there no time limit?
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna kill myself.
It's genuinely the worst.
Oh my gosh!
You see that big button flashing at the bottom of the screen? You're gonna give yourself a concussion. How are you getting lower?
Alright, I'm making it this time. No more playing around.
We've passed the finish line 6 times. You can't mess this up now. There you go.
Just died on my screen.
Jeez.
I can't see the bottom.
It's below you. It's below you. Oh my word. Dang, why is the coin? What? And now you're the only one who got any points.
Yeah, we all made it.
Dude,
It's
literally
crazy
took
that it just gave you
30
the
minutes.
2 easy points. I don't even know if I'm gonna get any points. It's still too easy.
Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot.
Finally, I got some points.
Let's just say my peanuts.
How do
Oh,
we
no.
we just
Oh,
replicated
no.
it. Did you see that, Gideon?
No.
Me and Brody clicked the black hole at the same time, and now we both have one.
Wait, what if we put them on top of each other? Put them right here.
Woo woo woo! Ah! Brody, it's like this, Brody, like that. You see?
Literally did it at the exact same time.
No, the stupid aeroplane! Oh my gosh. Brody? Got that?
But I did!
Oh no. No way! It's a black hole!
That was easy.
What? Oh my word.
Alright, let's fall in this black hole.
Oh my word.
Oh my, Zach's about to win. I need to focus up.
No! Oh! Oh, I almost got. No! I put it there and I died to it! I forgot. Woo! Start! Dang it! Run, Brody, run! It's McGinnis. Oh my word! What the heck just happened? What is going on? Woo!
Oh.
What? It hit you on my screen. Oh! Whoa! Ooh, ah! I keep forgetting about that.
I was scared of the black hole, so I kept going.
That's exactly what I did. What if I? Nope, that won't work. Maybe like that. The barbed wire of all things?
That's what killed me last time.
Yeah, but just you. You both just got burned on my screen.
It was off!
I didn't hit it!
Dang it, I just realized what's happening to the trap I set.
Yeah, your trap is what.
You know what?
Oh, now we can't make it.
Oh, shoot.
Hockey puck, watch out.
Good luck, bro.
Check out this elite move. I get sucked in by the black hole. I wanted to try to get it to suck me just a little bit so I could get onto the edge. Uh-oh, now my trap isn't so stupid!
Wait.
No!
Wait.
You idiot.
I gotta analyze things more.
Pause. What the freak?
What?
Oh. What the heck is that?
Yeah.
Where are you going with this?
I'm just gonna send you into the trap, King.
Frick! Gideon, you have to win or we're just not gonna be able to play anymore.
That thing is killing me.
Get in! Get in! Wait, I'll get trap kill points now.
How do you answer that?
Get in! Why are you so bad at that part?
What if we all die? Gideon, you have to die.
If we all die, I just win. Get in! Get in!
Stop sucking me. No, no. Somebody has to win for you to get trap points.
Oh, well, I still won. I'm alive!
Right.
How am I over here?
I'm gonna go outside real quick. I'll be back. Maddie's
lame.
here though, so invite her real quick.